Hello YouTube, this is Master Science Chocolate Rain here, coming to you with an egg for Bart's gameplay. Now Chocolate Rain's going to be recording this video for his channel. So let's get this started. He's too much to wear the headphones, so
let me introduce my channel. What's going on YouTube? This your boy Chocolate Rain, aka Kill Switch from Death Switch Gaming. So this is my first video for my channel. Y'all gonna have to bear with me, cause I don't like scary games, and this game is scary as hell. Now I'm not used to PC. I'm still working on it. So what I did was I played around a little bit with the controls, so I'm familiar with the controls. So bear with me, cause I don't like scary games. I'm being forced to play this. So please give it a thumbs up, cause the fear is real. The headset is loud, and I don't know how to turn it down. Oh my gosh. I can't.
tell him that I'm not sure.
So shouts out to Master Sci. Shouts out to Master Sci for making me do this. Go and give his channel a like and a thumbs up. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to his channel. Look! Look! No! No! Look! Look! Look how creepy she is! Dude, I can't. Alright, let me look around first. Let me look around first. Why you can't get your own eggs? We can't go to the Quickie Mart? Dude, no, come on. Hey Marge, stop playing. She hitting something.
Apparently not home.
I don't like this. I don't like nothing chasing me. I can't handle that. Oh my goodness. I'm nervous and I haven't even walked in this house. Jesus. I can't do this. This is, dude, I can't do this. Alright, let me look around one more time. Let me look around the house. Maybe I can sneak through the back door or something. By the way, if y'all see me looking to the side, I'm not being rude. I'm also playing Pokemon. I'm Wonder Trading. I'll be pissed. Dude, I can't do this. I'll tell you what. This is what we gonna do. Tag team. You wear the headset and I walk in there. If I don't hear it, it's not scary.
No.
If I don't hear it, it's not scary. No, alright. You go in and I'll listen. How about that? No. You do the controls since it's my first channel, and I'll do the commentation and I'll listen. I don't like eggs. I ain't eating no more eggs. I'm just saying.
Let's get this over. Once she barely goes upstairs, you'll have a chance to get everything.
Can you at least cut down the volume?
No.
This is loud.
That's the point of it. You're supposed to be distracted from everything else. Please
let someone call me. Please. I'd rather go to work right now. I'd rather be at work than this. This is... Dude, look!
She's not there.
I can't do this.
Dude, you spent like 10 minutes already. Why can't you can't do it?
Alright, let me look around the house one more time.
Oh my.
Let me look around the house. There may be an entrance I haven't seen.
There is no entrance. Mark should get a beat your ass even more if you don't get inside.
He can't go play this either. Dude, I don't like horror games. I'll panic. I don't like nothing chasing me. You saw her face. She gonna be in the screen with that, with all the. Oh, I can't. No.
He is the opposite of Dashy Games.
Shouts out to my boy Dashy for playing this. Big likes, big ups. He got balls, cause I can't get in his house. Look.
She is upstairs, motherfucker.
Marge, since we technically married and we got 3 kids, can I just have one egg?
Big, bitch. Get your ass in there. Come on, dude.
Bring me eggs.
Oh my goodness. Wait. She was at the door.
You have to go in there. Alright, so here we go.
I can't get an egg, damn. My heart skipped 6 beats. I felt myself die twice. Look at.
Let her go upstairs, dude. That's the only way for it to work. Or you can go in there with the lights off where you sleep.
I ain't turning nothing off. I gotta go home and sleep tonight. I ain't turning nothing off. I'm sleeping next to my dog tonight. We sharing his bed. That's what we doing. We sharing his bed. Bump that.
Who's worse? Her or it?
Right now it's her. Right now it's her. I watched the movie. I'm playing this.
Hey, watch the lighting go and oh shit, there she is.
Marge, stop playing. Oh my gosh.
Go. She's upstairs. Go.
Dude, I swear to God, if I open this door.
Go. Go that way.
You got me fucked up. I'm getting this egg.
Anywhere you see some kind of shiny.
Shut your fat ass up! Why he so loud? Wait, what's that? I hear footsteps. Fuck that, get out the house. Where's the exit? I can't do this.
Go right there.
I feel something behind me. I feel something behind me.
Turn off the light just in case. Whenever you're charging,
Shut your fat ass up!
click the mouse whenever.
Shut up, you're making me nervous.
Right there. Go back.
I'm just gonna play Ring Around the Rosie with her ass. I'm not doing this. Oh my.
Right there. Turn off the light by clicking.
No, I'm not turning off squat. You hush. Oh my God, my heart. Oh no! Oh my God! I saw her and walked into the couch. I saw her. My heart. Why is it so scary? It's just a Simpsons game.
I'm sorry, my
YouTube watching me scream like a little bitch right now. I know y'all probably like, look at this fat.
Hey, at least you got an egg. Good thing is, you have to start all over with the eggs.
Oh my goodness. My heart.
Wait for her to go upstairs. Wherever you see a light, dude, that's where you get it. And while you're charging for the light, turn off the light. Right, she's going up. I think she's going upstairs. Go check if she's going.
She's right there. She's not going up the stairs. She at the front door.
Keep an eye on this one. Alright, go upstairs instead.
I'm not going upstairs. You lucky you got me playing this.
Keep an eye on the stairs. Watch your ass.
Look!
She's going upstairs. She's going upstairs. Yeah, she's going upstairs. Go.
Oh my gosh.
Go.
Can I choke him like they do in a cartoon?
Shit, all that light you're passing right there, dude. Turn off the light.
Shut your fat ass up! You lie.
Why you do it?
Oh my. Hush, I can't hear her. Lord, please don't be behind me. Oh my gosh. I can't breathe. Oh, bitch, that scared me. Stop screaming.
Right there. No, go back. Oh, wait, right there. Go back.
Shut up, you're making me nervous.
Don't worry, you'll know when she's behind me. She'll say something like, Right there. Just a light
Oh.
What? Light right there. What?
My nose is itching.
Right there. Just a light on
I'm just gonna run around in a circle till I stop being nervous.
Oh shit.
Don't touch
the egg
Ah!
stain me.
Oh! Fuck you! Don't catch me! Go outside! Go outside!
I am
Oh my gosh! She cut through the wall. Oh my gosh!
Tell him this is the last one.
Oh my gosh! That was the last one.
No,
That was the last one. My heart can't take no more. No, my heart can't take no more. No.
Do one more. Come on.
No, my heart can't take no more.
One more.
My heart cannot take.
One more,
That's it, YouTube. He trying to kill me. I'm fat as it is.
One more.
No, You do it. I'll listen.
No, one more.
You do it. I'll listen.
One more. Come on.
All right, but you gotta listen.
No,
I'll record, but you gotta play.
No.
I can't do both.
Come on. You got it. Team Dark Side. Own up to that.
Oh my gosh. Why?
Come on, man. One more, guys. One more. You got this, bro. You got this. You wait for us to go upstairs. You know what sucks is that sooner or later you're gonna have to go upstairs.
No, hell I don't. He gonna be satisfied with whatever the egg I give him.
I'm gonna go out there and throw the fucking eggs at you.
I'm about to go buy him some eggs. Hold on, I can't go to the Quickie Mart?
No, you go to the Quickie Mart once you pass it. But then it goes back to the house right here.
This makes me nervous.
Oh, and when you go to the Quickie Mart, this Barney's dead. Somebody slaughtered his ass. This is up. Open the door right now. Oh, okay, go.
Wait! Her fat ass almost tripped over.
Go. What? Right there. Go. Alright, move. Fuck your...
Shush! I need to hear. Shut up, I need to hear. I do what I want. Oh, stop. Oh my gosh. Why is it quiet? Don't fucking jump scare me. Homer, shut your thick ass up.
Hey, you finally got one.
Please, Marge, please don't jump scare me. I swear I will never watch this show again.
You see where there's a light right there?
Oh no, fuck that. I need that light. I'm gonna die without it.
You have a...
Oh my gosh.
Turn it off. Right click.
Woo! Kill Bart! Wait! Kill Bart!
Go outside.
I can't see!
Go outside, turn right there.
I can't, my heart. Oh, she's behind me! Oh, I can feel it! She's breathing! Oh my god. Lord, please.
If you turn off your lights, she'll probably stop following you.
I'm about to play Ring Around the Rosie like hell. My heart, no, fuck this. I'm scared to turn around. Oh my god. Bart, get your mother. Is she behind me? I'll do this all fucking day. I'll do it all day. I think she's behind me.
You have to turn off your light, dude.
No, fuck that. No. Hey, his fat ass need to lose some weight. I'll do this all day. I ain't got nothing to do. I am patient as hell. Check if she's behind me.
Why the fuck should I do that?
We gonna keep doing this.
Dude, seriously?
YouTube about to dislike everything I just did. I have unlimited patience. How do I stop this game? I can't take no more.
Alright. You have to right click. If you don't do it, she'll continue following you. Alright, right click. Now.
No. No. Bart's shadow scared the hell out of me.
Right.
Exit me out of this game.
Right click.
Exit me out of this game.
Right click to be a pussy.
I right clicked. Nothing's happening.
Oh my god, you have to hold it. That's left click and hold it.
I'm gonna turn this off and she gonna get.
Hold it. Left click and hold it.
She's gonna get. You do
No,
it.
she won't.
You do it.
No, dude, I don't want to appear on your.
Wait. She's in the house.
Yeah. Alright. You have to run from traffic. Get in there.
My heart. YouTube. I can't take no more.
Just go inside, let her get you.
No, I can't take no more. You do it. I'll listen.
No.
No, go ahead. Look, you play.
Here, I'll listen. You play.
Oh my gosh.
Go inside. Hatches upstairs. Go. Go. Inside, dude. Okay, she's going upstairs. This is good. Here.
Don't do that. No. Hell no. You no. No. I'm done with this game. Dude. I don't have the mic and I'm nervous.
Here.
No, dude, no.
Dude, you'll have the game at least.
No. Here. No.
Alright, go inside. She's upstairs. I got this. Here she goes. Go. Alright. Whenever she comes down, you have to go upstairs though. Oh, you pass the light. Turn around. Oh shit. She on that shot. Close jutsu. Open the every door. Where are you going?
I'm nervous.
She's not after you. She's upstairs checking the rooms.
Alright, she's upstairs. Okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Alright. Check the. No. Keep on going. Right there. Will you see that light? Right there. Go. Left click.
Why?
Just do it.
Why?
Just do it, motherfucker. Trust me.
Why?
Oh my fucking god, you're gonna get killed.
Oh, she's behind me.
She is coming. You better left click that
She's
shit now.
me. I'm hauling ass. I can't. No. I'm a thug.
He said he a thug and he's running away from the. No, she's upstairs.
Okay. Alright.
Get your ass inside the house. Oh my god, this is the worst scary video ever. Oh, there she is. Look, she's about to go upstairs. Let her go upstairs again, and then you follow upstairs.
Oh my god. My heart can't take no.
You are one pussy ass motherfucker.
I played it.
You played it? Dude, you're
played it.
afraid to listen to it.
Alright, I'm afraid to listen to it. I'll run right into her on purpose. Move.
Alright, here we go. Alright, she went upstairs. Go. Go upstairs and go into the first room.
No.
Really?
Get all eggs down here.
There's no
Bart,
more.
eggs upstairs? Okay, Bart's starving. You gotta eat cereal. No more eggs for Bart.
In there. Nothing?
I can't see.
Oh my god.
I can't see.
He's like, you can't see. Go upstairs.
No, I can't. I'm too scared.
Go upstairs, you fucking dude. You're making this video longer than an hour. Hurry your ass up.
Scared.
Oh my
I
god.
wanted to quit. I'm gonna hit the escape button. How do I quit?
Alright, stop right there. Go upstairs.
No.
Oh my.
Oh my god. Get out of the house.
Oh shit, she's right behind you. No, just joking. Go upstairs. Oh my.
That is it. How do I exit out?
No, you are going upstairs, even if I have to beat your ass. Just go upstairs. You got one last chance. And you got. Sadly.
I can't.
Sadly.
Hey, if you remember the dark side, you will help a brother out and finish this gameplay.
All right, get your ass out the way. Let me show you what Team Dark Side's really about. No, move. No, get you off your fucking chair.
It's still my channel.
Huh?
It's still my channel.
I know.
You play, I'll listen.
Oh my freaking god! Here, move.
Go ahead.
No, move it. All right. Let me show you how this is done.
Y'all probably looking like, did his thick ass just get up because he's scared? Yes. Yes, I did. And you know what? If y'all want to see me get scared and play more of these games, like and subscribe, and I'll play any scary game you send my way. I promise, I'll play any game you send my way.
Only eggs can sustain.
Oh my god!
She waited for me. She came outside the house.
She saw the window. She was like, get your fat ass in here. Oh my god. That's it. I'm done, YouTube. I can't. No. That's it. YouTube, this is it. This is the last time we're gonna see Master Side scream. I bet you. Oh my goodness. I know y'all probably saying this is the first time in YouTube history that we ever saw somebody freak out like this and have to pass the stick. Get used to it. From this point on, I'm a thug. Like that, like my boy Dash EXP says. My boy Dash. I'm a thug. Shouts out to the homie. I'm sorry I couldn't do it. Now, As I see him and other YouTubers playing video, Homer is fat as hell. As I see them playing video games, scary games, I'm like, it can't be that bad. It's not that bad. I was wrong. It's bad. I can see. I'll say this. I'll play any scary game you want me to play from now on. Send me the info. Like and subscribe.
Is she coming?
No, you're good. And I'll play any scary game you want me to play.
You turn off the light like this, and she won't notice it.
If you got any suggestions on what you want me to play, let your boy know. Be like, hey, kill switch.
And let Master Sign know.
Play this. Link in the description to Master Sai's channel. Go over to his channel. Be like, Master Sai, here, play this. If you can even be like, kill switch, tell Master Sai, tell kill switch. 100 likes and 100 subscribers. That's not a lot. And I'll make Volt Tosaka play this game. And I won't tell him that it's scary. Oh my gosh. Homer is loud. This dude is stupid.
Is she coming?
No.
Okay, I got 5 eggs, but I have no more lights down here besides the one I have. Alright, so.
Oh my gosh. Lord, please.
Alright, so when she comes.
Turn the light on.
I'm afraid that she's around the corner.
She's.
Alright.
Dude, look to your right. Look in both directions. My heart can't take no more. I can't.
Look what I'm doing.
She gonna jump scare. I'm gonna lose my mind.
I lost position where I am. Oh shit, there she is. I just saw her.
Ah!
She behind me?
Ah!
Is she behind me? Oh shit!
Oh!
Oh!
Get out of the corner! Hurry up, Fudgy! Get Homer, thick ass.
Why is that door not closing now? Oh my god, the doors are not closing anymore. I think once you hit
My heart. I hear her.
Bring me eggs. I am your character.
I had the headset half off my ears and it scared me still. March is on lean, petroleum, gasoline, and farts. Lord help me. I can't. YouTube, that was the last one. Look, I'm done. I'll say this. If y'all want me to play more scary games because you want to see me react like this, please send them to me. I'll play them for y'all. Just remember, this is real. This is not acting. This is real fear. I'm in my pajamas. I'm playing Pokemon. Your boy is. Shouts out to Nintendo, by the way. Your boy. Don't sue me. I love y'all. I don't know if I can say that. Your boy is playing Pokemon. I'm Wonder Trading. Y'all should go get the game. It's really nice. Eggs for Bart. Whoever made it.
Is it in line with
Y'all got some good y'all got some good skills. The game is hard because it's scary as hell.
Tell them they got ties with Dark Souls.
Y'all up there with Dark Souls for real and difficulty, cause at least with Dark Souls you get your souls back. She done scared the hell out of me a few times. So alright. Hope y'all liked the video. Make sure you go subscribe to Master Sai's channel. Like and subscribe. Shout out to Volt Osaka. Shout out to Hero. Saiyan Wolf. It's your I'm Kill Switch, of course, and it's Death Switch Gaming. So make sure y'all like the video for my scary ass, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Peace.